Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to upload your resume to LinkedIn. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your LinkedIn and log into your account. Once you log into your account, you should click on the Me section, then go and click on Settings and Privacy. Then after that, go and click on Data Privacy on the left section. Then once you click on Data Privacy, you should scroll down till you find here Job Seeking Preferences. You'll find these options: Job Application Settings, share your profile when you click Apply for a job, signal your interest to recruiters at companies you have created job alerts for, and etc. So simply I will click on Job Application Settings. When you click on it, it will load for a time. Then here it will show here this button, Upload Resume. Just click on it. It has to be 5 megabytes or less. It has to be PDF or document. So click on Upload Resume, then upload the resume like so. Let's pretend that this is the one. And once you upload it, you will have it just like so. You can turn this option on if you want to share resume data with recruiters, or if you do not want to share it and you want only to send it to someone that you want, you can simply turn this section off. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.